Today we will be using the S3 Serum by Influance to achieve this look. Some benefits: it silkens, softens, it's alcohol-free, and adds shine. I like to apply a dime-sized amount in my palm and then distribute throughout the hair. The model is natural, so the S3 Serum works great. The serum eliminates frizz and polishes your look with a silkening finish. It is a silicone-based serum providing a high gloss finish while sealing the cuticles and reducing tangles. To purchase your products, visit www.influencehaircare.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.